In this chapter, let us learn about lambda. A lambda function is a small anonymous function. A lambda function can take any number of arguments but can only have one expression. Syntax: lambda arguments is expression. The expression is executed and the result is returned. See example, add 10 to arguments a and return the result. See a plus 1, a is to a plus 1 is equal to 15. See here we have written the 15. Lambda functions can take any number of arguments. See example, multiple arguments a with argument b and return the result. See here 5, 6, here result is 30. Summarize arguments a, b and c and return the result. See the result 13. Why use lambda functions? The power of lambda is better shown when you use them as an anonymous function inside another function. Say you have a function definition that takes one argument and that argument will be multiplied with an unknown number. See here def my function return lambda a is to n asterisk n. Use the function definition to make a function that always doubles the number you send in. See here a is to a into 1, see doubles is 11 doubles to 22, result is 22. Or use the same function definition to make a function that always triple the number you send in. Example, see here is a into n, it's double 3 times, my function is 3 times, that is 33. Or use the same function definition to make both functions in the same program. See here in same program we have given twice and this is thrice, is 22 and 33. Use lambda functions when an anonymous function is required for a short period of time. Okay friends, this is the end of part 20 lambda. In next video let us learn about another topic, arrays.
If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.